Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your camera not working within Microsoft Teams. There's a few different troubleshooting options to go through, so as we get into it, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to create a new meeting. Just going to create a standard meeting, no one invited to it, just my good old self here, okay? And this is what we're going to be presented with. Now, if you can't see your video feed here and your camera is turned off, and you're trying to turn this on and you end up with a bit of a warning message, the reason for that is that basically Microsoft Teams does not have access to your camera. So to fix that, we want to head over to the search bar at the bottom here. We can give that a click and we can just go to settings or type settings in and find it. When you've got your settings, it'll land on something that will look like this. From here, we want to scroll down until we find privacy and settings here on the left hand side. Give that a click. From there, we're going to scroll down until we find the app permissions area and the camera right here. Give that a click. Now, by default, this should be turned on, but for you it might not be, and you might actually have camera access turned off. So make sure that that one is turned on. Then underneath there, you'll have a list of applications that actually can access your camera feed. So here you can see we've got things like Camera, Facebook Hub, Microsoft Teams, TradingView, WhatsApp, Xbox, and so forth, right? And a list of other pieces of software such as Elgato, Google Chrome, Edge, OBS, which you can see here is currently in use. So a good way to kind of spot. We'll get to that in a moment. But if you come to Microsoft Teams, you're going to make sure that this one is turned on, okay? So that's going to be the first thing you want to do. Make sure that Microsoft Teams has access to use your camera. So I'm going to turn that on for the purpose of today's video. Now this is using two different feeds, right? Or the same feed that I'm using for this video in itself. Now this computer that I've got is able to handle that, but some computer specs are not, and they basically won't let you use the same camera feed for two pieces of software at the same time. And so this might not work if you have it open in another piece of software, which if you come to your settings here, okay, go down to the privacy and security, go down to the app permissions and camera, and if you scroll down, you can see that OBS Studio has my camera currently in use. Okay, so obviously you can have multiple cameras on your laptop or your computer and so forth, which we're going to get to in a moment. And as you can see here, it's currently in use in Microsoft Teams and it's currently in use in OBS. So this allows you to see whether if you've got a single camera, it will allow you to see if any other software is using your camera feed, which could potentially cause a problem with Microsoft Teams. So you're going to want to make sure that Microsoft Teams, if you're trying to use a camera in it, that nothing else, no other pieces of software, no other apps are running the camera at the same time. Okay, and you can use the privacy, security, camera settings to see that. Okay. So with that done, we're going to click a join now, okay, and I'm not going to use audio. We don't want any kind of double feedback or anything in the actual video itself. I'm going to close that because we're not looking to invite anyone to this meeting. Okay, so let's say your camera is not working, it's off for now, and it's looking like this, okay, just your little avatar logo, etc. Well, from here, you've got a little drop-down menu for your open video options. Give that a click. You can see the different types of camera. So for example, I might have the wrong camera selected, such as this one right here, or maybe even this one, for example, right? And if I turn on my camera feed, I get this black screen because there's no signal coming from my DSLR. Now, I'm using a Sony DSLR for the purpose of this video, and it's kind of what I would use for whether it's a Google Meet or a Microsoft Teams call, right? And if that is being used somewhere else, then it's going to have a problem. Now, from the drop-down menu here, I have the ability to, of course, select whatever camera that I want. In this particular example, there are 6 different cameras that I could choose from. And if you've got multiple cameras or potential software, virtual cameras on your laptop or computer, then that actually might be causing a problem as well if you have the wrong thing selected. So always make sure that you select the correct camera. In my case, I'm using camera number 2 for the purpose of this part of the video. So I would have camera 2 selected here. Okay, and so that's going to be how you would check that there. Okay, and so if I were to kind of try to summarize this, the first thing we want to do is basically make sure that our camera is turned on if it's an external camera, not an integrated camera. You want to make sure that if it has and requires power, that it has power and is turned on. The second thing that you're going to want to check is to make sure that your camera is connected. So in my case, it's a HDMI feed into my computer, but for you, it might be a USB C or a USB 3.0 or 3.1 cable, for example. You're going to want to make sure that that's connected to the correct port on your computer as well. Not all USBs and USB cables are made equal, so it's important that you do the research on that part of it as well. Then, making sure that your hardware is working, you can then turn to software. Does Microsoft Teams have access to your actual camera? If it doesn't, then obviously you cannot use it, so you have to turn that on. The next thing to do is to check, if it's still not working at that point, as to whether or not there's another piece of software that's actually using the camera, preventing Microsoft Teams from accessing its feed. So to do that, you're going to have to go in into your camera settings again, in the settings area, privacy and security, camera, and check to see if there are any other apps or software running the camera feed. Okay, deactivate any of that are, make sure that Microsoft Teams is the only one that has access to it, and you should have your camera working inside Microsoft Teams. If after all of that it's still not working, I would be really kind of focusing in on the hardware to see whether or not there's an actual problem, a malfunction with the hardware itself. If it's an external camera, does it have power? Is the battery charged, for example? Or is it a cable that's connected, just not actually fully connected to the camera or to the laptop itself? These are worth checking, and they're worth checking probably first because they're usually the simpler fix. And at the end of the day, sometimes hardware does fail. And there you have it, guys. Hopefully this worked for you. You can let me know in the comments down below if you hit any kind of roadblocks or if in fact it works perfectly for you. And you can hit that like button if you've appreciated the effort that I put into today's video, and of course subscribe for more hints and tips. Until the next one though, guys, have a fantastic day.